ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak orange Nissan looms hop ho near fire brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives restaurant bala play nakbantaban shakriya phi hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai le kai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
ka Sorkar Jylla haduk menta kadang ap ia ka Kaiphod ban tip syai Halor ka daw ka bala penlong ia ki Nriungut ki Nongbylla na bar Jylla ban do yala ka Jingïap na ka daw ka Jingkidia jong ka Jingkieng bala te ka ba ki temu ban rung syapo jong ka Krem ti Dewïong bempendon kamsyu ka badon ha ka sinong Densha Lulu ha East Gentle Hills District. Na pedeng kini ki Nriungut ia ki sangut la itu kerteng kum u Jilal Uddin uba arpsan snem karta na ka sinong Karimganj u Dilwar Hussein ubala Laipasan Snem Karta, u Ali Hussein ubala Saupo Snem, bat u Mokbul Hussein kibade Shipara na Kashnong Karimganj, bat u Abdul Sabur ubala Laipuar Snem Karta na Kashnong Labor Puta jong Silchar District. Nakaliang jong menteri ketanat kampo ieng ke Sorkar Jylla uba Lakmen Rembui habaya keren bat kinong tok kubor ulaya tu ba ke Sorkar haduk menta kadang ap ia ka Kaiphod Halor kani ke Jingja kenang bakan dupla ban khanglat ia kinu ki kambe ain bat ban ya daru na ke Jingti Dewïong be ain hapok ke Jylla.
The police get information that there are some incident where some people have died due to accident. So the police went to that spot. It's called Sorkari near Rembai. So when they went there, they found that 6 persons were lying in the hut, already dead. So since there is no people there to ask the police, so they are trying to ascertain the cause of death. Prima facie, it seems that there is accident. It seems that there is accident that the crane is due to some defect, maybe due to some defect. So this is happened. So the process of identification of those diseases is being done, and 5 people could be identified, and one till I speak this now I didn't get the information. So, and the Sardar of that bring those people also, he is absconding. So all formalities relating to this incident, the police have been looked into, and necessary inquiry has been done, is being done, and report we will get after. Prima facie that there is an accident where the crane which being used in mining is being due to some defects, so it collapsed. So prima facie, but the exact report I don't get with me right now. See, accident is accident, and accident can happen anywhere, anytime. But this has happened if at all there is illegal mining. If at all there is illegal mining, it happen when they are doing illegal thing. So the law will take its own course. Was after ascertaining the reason, after ascertaining what is caused into that, how then only we can come into conclusion. The police will register the case, registering the case, and investigation will be done. And after proper investigation, then we will see what is to be done.